Hey, welcome to PT Final Exam. My name is Mark. I want to thank you for checking out the PTA Crash Course. So the PTA Crash Course, what is it? It is about the big systems on this exam. So the big systems are musculoskeletal, cardio, and neuro. Now, each week of this crash course goes over one specific system. Each week will consist of 4 lectures. You will have a lecture revolving around physical therapy data collection. You will have a session revolving around diseases and conditions that affect treatment. And then you will have a session revolving around intervention. Each week will then conclude with a practice session where you will go over practice questions. Now, for this course, group discounts are available. So if you're a cohort or if you've got a group of people that want to sign up together, please let me know, Mark at PT Final Exam, and I can set you up a discount code for a group. I'm really excited that you checked it out, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. We look forward to seeing you in the class.